Thank you for watching. This is Doug's Open Classics. This is the AVO Car Club meet at Hatton Country World 26. This is the RS1600 lineup, which honestly, what an absolute treat, seeing all these beautiful cars all in one place. They are unbelievably good. So, and to see so many of these all in one place, it is just like unbelievable. What an absolute honour, to be fair, to see them all. Recently, I don't know why, I've been drawn to black ones. I know like black was a very, very, very rare original colour for pretty much any of the AVO cars. So obviously, like, I don't know if it's an original car, originally black, but no matter, it looks absolutely stunning, as to be fair they all do. Yeah, I'm actually blown away by the opportunity to see so many of these brilliant cars all in one place. Oh yeah. Here we go. So the owner has really kindly opened the door here. Thank you so much. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. See, that's what I'm missing, the centre console, which would be a really handy thing to have. But that is lovely. Thank you for that. Cheers. Oh, there you go. I'll come back. I'll do the walk around and I'll come back. Right, so I'm going to go back to that blue one because that was lovely. Well, they're all lovely. Look, I'm not going to choose one car out of all of them because they're all super impressive. There you go, look, Lakes Tour 26. That's confidence for you. And that's what I love about these cars. Some of them have come a long way to be here today, and that's what they're for to be. Here you go. So that is the RS1600 lineup at the 2026 AVO Club show. If you could make it next year, I would highly recommend it. Look, even if you've not got an AVO car, it doesn't really matter because there's some amazing machines in the overflow car park. Beautiful cars. I've done some separate videos of them. Yeah, look, if you're not subscribed, if you could do that, that'd be really good. And I'll hopefully see you soon. Keep safe and happy motoring. Thank you.